Question number 8. So first of all, we need to figure out what is y minus x equals x. There are some situations like some number end with 0 minus 5 equals some number end with 5, and then some number 2, 6, 6. Okay, some number end with 4 minus 7 equals some number 7. Some number 6 minus 8 equals some number 8. Okay, and then all these first 4 situations, we also need to do the plus here. Y plus x equals x. Y, x, x. Okay, so 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 plus 6 equals 8. No, right? 4 plus 7 equals 11. 6 plus 8 equals 14. They're not correct. So the only one is 0 plus 5. So what we know is x equal number 5 and y equals 0. Then we can plug in the numbers into here, and then so it's 50 minus some 5 equals 5, right? And then since we need to borrow 1 to do the minus, so here's 4. Now here is 0. 4 minus z equals 0, so z equals 4. Okay, so here z equals 4. And then now we need to plug in all the numbers again to the first one, then to figure out what is u. Okay, 50 plus 45 equals 95. So u equals 9, and then now we can do x plus y plus z plus u equals 18. Okay? Question 9. Average score. If we want to know the average score, we need to know the total score first. So total score is 82 plus 92 plus 75. It's 75 equals, and then how we can know the average score. Here's 3 scores. So we use 249 divided by 3. 8, 9, so 83. Got it? Question 10. Okay, so every even number greater than 2 can be written as the sum of 2 prime numbers, right? For example, 4 equals 2 plus 2, 6 equals 3 plus 3, 8 equals 3 plus 5. In how many ways can 24 be written as the sum of 2 prime numbers? Here, the order is not important. 3 plus 5 and 5 plus 3, they're considered to be the same way, okay? Before we write down, let's review what is prime number, okay? Prime number, they has to be greater than 1, right? Why I erase it? It has to be greater than 1, and then 1 is not prime. Not prime number. Okay, okay, and then let's write down how many prime numbers before 24. Right? And then 2 is the only even number in the prime number, okay? All the other prime numbers, they are odd. Only 2 is the even one. And then 24 can be 5 plus 19. Also 7 plus 17 and 11 plus 13. So we have 3. Okay, number 11. 9 coins, only use 9 coins and at least 1 coin of each type, right? So at least 1 penny, 1 nickel, 1 dime, 1 quarter. So there, 1 penny, 1 nickel. Right, 41 cents. And then we need to use 87 cents to minus 41 cents. There are 46 cents left. So we need to use 5 more coins. Why 5 more? We already used 4, right? So we need to use 5 more coins to make 46 cents. And then we know since it's 6, we have to use 1 penny here. So minus 1 penny, we left 45, right? And then 45, let's use 1 quarter. 20 cents left. And then, so now we already use 1 coin, 2 coin, 3, 4, 5 coin, 6 coin. So we have 3 coins left and then 20 cents. So we can use 2 nickel, which is times 2. And then 1 dime to make 20 cents, right? So 2 nickels, 1 dime. So in total, we have 2 pennies, 3 nickels, 2 dimes, and 2 quarters. So the answer is 2 dimes. Now you can see it plus together there are 9 coins. You can try other ways to figure out this question, but this is the only way that and only answer that you use 9 coins and then to collect the 80 cents. And then you have to use each type at least once. Okay. All right. Question 12. How we can do this? When you see divisible by 9, we need to know this number plus together and it need to equal 9, right? So 1 plus 8 plus 7 equal 9. 8 plus 8 equal 9. 8 equal 9 plus 8 equal 1. So 8 equals 1. Okay? Number 13. When Ben was copying down a 3-digit number 6B8, he switched 6 and 8 by mistake. What is the difference between Ben's number and the original number? What we can do is 8 beat 6 minus 6 beat 8. Then we borrow 1. So here's 8. Here's 9. Borrow again. 198. If the product of two consecutive odd numbers is 195, what is the smaller odd number? How we can know this? Then let's see. 10 times 10 equals 100. And then 20 times 20 equals 400. So the number has to be between 10 and 20, right? And then, let's see, the last digit is 5. So there has to be a number that ends with 5. Between 10 and 20, what number 5 ends with 5 is 15, right? And then now we know what number we can do divided. So 13 and 15, which one's smaller? 13.